Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to integrate Zoom onto the platform. So basically, if you conduct online consultation um, or appointments with patient, then you might want to use this feature. This feature was added specifically um, to help hospitals have online consultation with patient. So if you want to use this feature, then you need to set it up. First of all, you need a Zoom paid account so you could get the API keys, which you could use to add on the platform. So all you need to do is you click on the Zoom settings, and then you'll be asked to enter your Zoom API key and your Zoom secret. Then this is the doctor API credential. That means if each doctor needs to enter their own API credentials, then you can just click on enable. And if you use the Zoom client app, then you can click on enable. So it means that we're using just the client the client's application. Then you can click on that. If that is the case, then once you're done with that, then you want to set maybe the OPD duration, like maybe you want to make it in such a way that you only have 30 minutes for an online, or maybe 10 minutes for an OPD um, online session or consultation. And for you also set also the time interval for the duration for IPD consultation. So that's it. Once you're done with that, you can click on save, and that will be done. And just in case you don't have the access, you can see here. This is going to generate access key for you, which you could use. Um, like this is actually done in such a way that you can get it directly from Zoom. So that's it. That is how you could actually set up Zoom and use it for online consultation at your hospital. Thank you.